Welcome to Easy Learn. In this video, we are going to see half subtractor and full subtractor. Half subtractor is nothing but which receives two binary inputs and produces difference and borrow. So here we are having two inputs and two outputs. So first we need to go for the truth table. So here we can consider x and y as input and outputs as borrow and difference. So here the possible input combinations are 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So here if we subtract 0 and 0, here the difference is 0 and borrow also 0. Then for the second one, here 0 1 we are subtracting. Here it's not possible to subtract. Okay, therefore we will borrow 1. Therefore b is equal to 1. Therefore here the value will be equal to 1 0. 1 0 minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, therefore here difference is equal to 1, borrow also 1. Next case 1 0. So if we subtract, here the difference is equal to 1, borrow is equal to 0. Likewise for 1 1, difference is equal to 0, borrow also 0. Now we will go for the algebraic expression. Here difference d is equal to, here we are having 1, respective input is here 0 1, therefore x bar y plus here we are having 1, respective input 1 0, therefore x y bar, okay, which is equivalent to x XOR y. Likewise for borrow, here we are having 1, respective input is 0 1, which is nothing but x bar y. So now we'll go for the graphical representation. So here the inputs are x and y. Here we are having XOR operation, which gives the result as difference, okay, which is nothing but x XOR y. Then borrow, here it's input, here it's x bar, therefore here we need to go for an OR gate, and another one input is y. Here both are having AND operation, therefore here it's equal to borrow, which is nothing but x bar y. Okay, so this is the implementation of half adder. Next, full subtractor. So here full subtractor is nothing but which receives three binary inputs and produces two outputs, borrow and difference. So three inputs and two outputs. Consider the inputs as x, y and z, and outputs as borrow and difference. So here the possible input combinations are 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. And here for 0 0 0, its difference is 0 and borrow is also 0. Likewise here first two digits 0 0, okay. Here the difference is equal to 0 and the last digit is equal to 1. Therefore we cannot able to subtract it, therefore we need to borrow 1, okay. Therefore here the values will be equal to 1 0, 1 0 minus 1 1, okay. Therefore borrow 1 and difference also 1. Likewise here 0 minus 1 we cannot able to subtract, okay. Therefore we need to borrow 1. If you borrow 1, here the value is equal to 1 0, therefore 1 0 minus 1 1, therefore difference 1, borrow also 1. Likewise for the next condition 0 1 1, okay. Therefore for 0 1 here we need to borrow 1, therefore here we will have the value as 1 0, 1 0 minus 1 1, again we are having 1, therefore 1 minus 1 0, therefore here borrow is equal to 1, difference is equal to 0. Likewise for the next condition 1 minus 0 1, again minus 0 1, therefore difference is equal to 1, borrow is equal to 0. For the next one here 1 minus 1, therefore difference is 0, borrow also 0. Likewise if you subtract these two, 1 minus 1 0, therefore difference is 0, borrow also 0. Then for the last condition 1 minus 1, okay, here the difference is 0 and borrow also 0. After that we are having another 1, therefore here we cannot able to subtract, therefore we need to go for borrow 1, okay. Therefore here the value is 1 0, 1 0 minus 1 1, okay. Therefore difference 1, borrow also 1. Now we will go for the sum of product representation for both difference and borrow. Therefore difference is equal to x bar y bar z plus x bar y z bar plus x y bar z bar plus x y z. Here also between these two we can take z common outside, therefore z into x bar y bar plus x y, plus between these two we can take z bar as common outside, therefore x bar y plus x y bar, okay. So already we know x bar y plus x y bar is nothing but x XOR y. Likewise x bar y bar plus xy is equal to x XNOR y, okay, which is equivalent to x XOR y the whole bar, okay, which we have already seen in the full adder. Therefore z into x XOR y the whole bar plus z into x XOR y. Here I am considering x XOR y is equal to w, therefore z w bar plus z bar into w, therefore here we can write it as w XOR z, okay, which is of the form a bar b plus a b bar. Therefore here w is nothing but x XOR y, then here we are having XOR z, okay, which is nothing but the difference Likewise for borrow, here the expression is x bar y bar z, which is from the truth table, then x bar y z bar plus x bar y z plus x y z. Therefore here z into x bar y bar plus x y. Between these two, here we can take x bar y common outside. Therefore here we will have z bar plus z, which is equal to 1 z into x xr y the whole bar plus here x bar y, okay, which is nothing but borrow. So now we will go for the implementation. This implementation is similar to implementing full subtractor using 2 half subtractor. So here we know that difference is nothing but x xr y xr z. Therefore x y, here I am going for first representing. So here x xr y, then here I am going for a naught and I am performing AND operation with y. So here which is nothing but x bar y, okay. So here it's a representation of a half subtractor. Likewise I am going for another one subtractor, an XOR gate. Here the first input is NOTed and the second input is ANDed with other input. So here already we are having x XOR y, which is connected to the second XOR gate with another one input z. Okay, so now here which will be equal to x XOR y XOR z, which is nothing but difference. Then for borrow, here we are having the term z into x XOR y the whole bar, okay. So here I am having the term as x XOR y the whole bar. Then I need to perform an AND operation. Therefore this z is connected to the AND gate. So here we are performing AND operation and here the output is z into x XOR y the whole bar, okay. So after that here I am having x bar y, here I am having, so between these two values I am performing an OR operation. Therefore here I can go for an OR gate with one of the input z into x XOR y the whole bar and another one input is x bar y, okay, which is nothing but borrow b.